Nearly 2 years ago, when I started this YouTube channel, I had no experience making videos. I had not even considered the notion. I used YouTube occasionally for finding information and self-help videos. Sometimes I was trying to learn a new piece of software, or other times I needed some third-party insight on a product I was considering purchasing. But one day I discovered my boys were watching YouTube for other reasons. They were finding videos about life. Granted, they were mostly videos about bottle flipping or silly 3-2-1 challenges, but nonetheless, they were being entertained in a way that they could relate. I began to dig deeper into the platform and discovered there was so much amazing stuff hidden in there. And so I thought, maybe I could do that.
The effort's going to start with building a whole new...
The boys encouraged me to try, and so I did. And my early content was far less than stellar. I only had my iPhone to begin with. And then I made a few videos with it. It wasn't long after that I was thoughtfully gifted a GoPro camera by my family, who encouraged me to keep going, and things really started to look promising. It was a slow process of experimentation and discovery that was showing few tangible results. No one appeared to be watching, except my family, friends, and I nearly gave up. But then something happened. Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel. When I was on the brink of throwing in the proverbial towel, an amazing thing occurred. An audience of real people began to emerge. You began watching what I was creating. You were subscribing to the channel. You were liking the videos and commenting on them. It was absolutely thrilling for me to watch it unfold in real time. And as things progressed, I began studying successful channels like Peter McKinnon and Casey Neistat. And in doing so, I realized the key to success is crafting a story with a message that connects to an audience, to you. I've had many people give me a strange look when I tell them my job now is being a YouTube creator. They immediately think I must be filming myself playing video games or doing silly stunts. But you and I both know that YouTube is so much bigger than that. I've learned that my job as a creator is to make a personal connection to you. And this is my mission now, to tell an interesting story with a positive message that hopefully connects to you on a personal level. And this story I want to tell begins with the idea that anything is possible if you set your mind to it. Ignore the naysayers. Your key to success is confidence. I am still learning. I am learning about the craft of filming video, as well as working through the physical and emotional challenges I often face while renovating this house. How do I tell a story about working on a house? For example, I have never built a bathroom from start to finish by myself. I've designed many as an architect, but I've never installed one, and now I face building 3 of them from scratch. I don't have the experience. I have limited knowledge and tools, and I should probably hire a plumber. But they are expensive, and rightly so. They do have the experience. I need to do it myself. I need to try at least. It might not be perfect at the end, but I have a sense that it is something I can indeed accomplish. Now, I am not a talented craftsman. I am not a skilled carpenter. I'm not a master of joinery. And I am certainly not an expert in woodworking. But I am intelligent. I am capable. I am able to learn, and I am willing to try. My tools are limited, but they should suffice for the task. The most important thing I have is determination. I want to succeed. I want to try and test myself. It really doesn't matter if you have the skill or experience. The most important thing to have is confidence and trust in yourself. You must be willing to try. You must be courageous. You must be thoughtful and plan well. And most of all, you must be humble. Because if it doesn't come out perfect, that is okay. Knowing that you did it yourself is reward enough. Once you have finished the project, you can take a step back, take a moment, and appreciate the accomplishment. It is at that very moment when you realize that you now have the experience.
Go. Well, I think that project's wrapped up. I've got this wall done. I'll come back, put some caulk in the cracks, fill those in, clean that all up, cover the nail heads, tap in any here that are sticking up still, and then it'll be ready for paint.